Hey, it's Phil. This July 4th, we're out on a training ride, so we decided to give the GoPro test on a new mount that we got for it. And while I was reviewing that stuff, I thought, man, we should make a little video of this. A lot of people don't know what the High Trestle Trail is. It is located here in Iowa, around Ankeny, Iowa. It will be not too far off the official RAGBRAI route this year. And it's a nice little 50-mile out and back. To do that for training is really pretty good. It was a horrible day to do training because of course it was 91 degrees and humid, and oh yeah, I guess that's just RAGBRAI weather, so it doesn't really matter. Went out, we did 45 of the 50, cut off the last little part when we turned around by the bridge. So the stuff you're gonna see now is some of that footage and just a little ASMR ride across the bridge. It takes a couple minutes. We're going that fast, and wanted you to see what we have in our backyard. So boy, that other sidewalk was delightfully smoother. No idea where we're at. I think the stuff's on this side, but there's a sign down here on this side that points. Okay. Morning. Hi. Yep. This.
Why didn't they put in detour here where you're supposed to go?
Yeah, that's not too good. I guess we're good. So. Yeah, the end detour, you know, 25 feet after you actually end the road. Oh. morning. Yeah, we're clear. Well, they moved the Pepsi machine over there. It used to sit over here. Morning. Seems like we got cars. Car left, car right. That's new. Made it, yeah. With a step on the other side then. right, out on a training ride today for RAGBRAI. Out on the High Trestle Trail, local gym, pretty cool. 91 degrees, we're right about 30 miles right now. Got about probably 15 more to go, 18 more to go, somewhere in there, and then we'll be done. So probably only get hotter. Bike back. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that, and I think we really got some pretty good footage. So we might do a poll on, do you want to see more of this stuff? Do you want to see more of some trail features we have here in Iowa? If you do, look for that poll and choose your favorites. And we will see you later. Until then, take care of your dash. Thanks for watching.